What is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video. Hey, have you had to change the battery out of your BMW key fob before and didn't know how and took it to the dealer? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that for free. By yourself, for free. It's DIY Wednesday. Let's go. Alright, so what's up? I'm AB here on Euro Auto Enthusiast, and sometimes we just talk about modifying our cars, and we also talk about saving yourself money doing your own DIYs on your BMW, much like this video that we're doing today. So if you're new here, and you maybe just haven't done so yet, consider subscribing. Now, maybe you have had to take your key fob to the dealership before because maybe you just didn't know how to do it, didn't care to know how to do it, or required reprogramming of some kind. However, these key fobs are very simple to get into, and with the exception of buying the battery, you can get it done for free just with the use of a small hand tool or just your fingers itself to actually get the back off. Primarily for you BMW owners with comfort access. Those are going to be the key fobs that I'm able to get into to swap out batteries. If you have cars without the comfort access, I'm not able to do anything with those because the back is not removable. I'll show you what it looks like for the back that is removable and show you how to remove the battery, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we've got both of the keys here. I'm going to do one at a time. This one belongs to the E92 M3, and then this one is for the F10 5 series. So I'm going to start with the E92. So the E9X cars, or any cars that has the key fob similar to this one. Just real simply, to know that you have a comfort access key, you'll see this little indentation right here where you can see it kind of separates out. If you have one that is not comfort access, there will not be a cutout here. It will just run all the way along here. No slit here for the indentation. Now before you start, I would say just have a little small flathead screwdriver with you. This one I use for like an eyeglass kit, so that's what I have now. Normally once I take this key blade out, I can use my fingernail and get that right off. However, I did just trim my nails recently, so they're very short. I don't believe I'm going to be able to get it. In fact, I've already tried. I wasn't able to get it. But anyway, as I was saying, go ahead and press there, remove the blade. All right, there's the key blade there. Set that off to the side. There's that little bit of indentation right there. There's a tab there, and then there's the ridge right there. That's where your flathead's going to go. You're just going to put it in, pop the back off like so. All right, and the battery has come out as well. All right, so there is the battery. I replaced this already. This one is good to go. However, you would be looking at a 2032. Place that right in, like so. Take your backing on, line that up, and it just snaps right in. All right. Snaps right in, voila, done deal. So this is for my F10 5 series. With this one, even I don't believe you're going to need that. Keep it just in case, but you are able to get this open with the key blade itself. So on the back here, so there's the button. If you press here and then tuck your index finger back behind the hole here, that will help that pull up. So I'm holding it like so. So we're going to press that button, pull, and then that helps that blade come out. Now, like I said, you can hold on to that. This one, you can pretty much see the outline of this backing all the way around, down and around and back up. You see inside of there, you can see like a little bit of a tab right there. Actually, all you do is take this key, press in. So just press down into it. There we go. You kind of slightly push back on it, and it actually pulls that plate off. Pop that right out. But for this, you do need a 2450. That one take your new battery, push it in, it sits right in there. Now take your back, there's a little tab at the bottom. You're going to feed that right through the bottom and press the back. Alright guys, so that does it for today's DIY. Hopefully you were able to take something from this DIY today and see how easy and simple it is just to take care of removing and replacing the battery in your BMW key fob. So with that said guys, more videos to come, more DIYs of course to come here in the near future, and of course stay tuned for the builds on the E92 M3 and the F10 535 M Sport. Quite a few events coming up here in the very near future, so I'm excited. Stay tuned for that to come. As always, thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving, my active duty members, my fellow veterans, and of course National Guard, first responders, and healthcare workers. A big salute to all of you. You guys take care, be safe, and as always, keep driving.